Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to download Appvalley on your Android device. This works on any Android device and you don't need to root your phone and you don't even need to connect your phone to the computer at all. With this you can get all the tweaked apps you want. You can get free paid apps. It's pretty awesome, guys. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this, okay? So first thing you guys want to do is open up Chrome, okay? Go to the website apphacks.co/appvalley, okay? There's the website, guys, apphacks.co/appvalley. Now again, by the way, guys, actually this does work on iOS as well, so you don't need to worry if you're an iOS user or maybe you have a spare iPhone, you can do this on your iOS device as well, but this video is mainly for Android. But yeah, again, this link works for both iOS and Android, okay? So anyways, just click the go button once you've typed that website in, okay? And so now what this is going to do, it's going to download the Appvalley installer tool. So just click on download. All right. So now it's just downloading it. Just give it a couple minutes, or sorry, a couple seconds. It's not that big of a file. And anyways, guys, it's super easy. It's completely free. All my friends have been using this. It's pretty awesome. All right, so once it says download, just click open. All right, so now it's just going to say for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps. So you just want to go into settings and click allow from the source. Okay. Now, just click the back button. Okay, now it should say, come up with this message. Do you want to install? Oh, okay. Sorry, this might be just for me since I'm just updating it right now. Just click open. All right. So now, basically, guys, to finish the installation of Appvalley, you just have to click Get Started. And once you click Get Started, it's going to take you to a content injection webpage. And basically, this is just to bypass the Android backend, so you don't need to root your phone or connect it to your computer. But it's super easy, guys. The developers did a great job on this one. All you got to do is just install and open 2 apps for about 60 seconds each, and that should be enough time for the rest of the content to transfer over to your device. Now, guys, I want you to pay close attention to each app's individual instructions. So some of them will say, so most of the time you'll be able to get away with just installing and opening 2 apps for 60 seconds, but sometimes you'll have to, some apps will say like install and open for 30 seconds. Some will say go to the Android App Store and search this keyword or whatever, and then install and open for 30 seconds. And some of them will say install this app and like play the game up to like level 4 or something like that. So you guys want to make sure you follow each individual app's instructions, because it is different for each app, and the developers did not do this by mistake, guys. You want to follow each step carefully and make sure you do each step properly if you want to get Appvalley on your Android device. You know, it really is important. When the developers made this, they did each step is part of the installation process to bypass the Android security. So like I said, guys, make sure you pay attention to every single step. And other than that, I'm trying to think of some other pointers I can give you guys. So yeah, so after you do the injection, Appvalley should load instantly. If it doesn't, wait about 30 minutes. If it's still not loaded, restart your phone. If it's still not loaded, guys, just do the app injection over again. You might have made a mistake or something like that. So yeah, just make sure you go back, click Get Started, do the app injection over again. Again, be very mindful, follow each step, every individual app's step carefully, guys. And yeah, that's the best advice I can give you guys. All right, so that should be all you guys need to get Appvalley on your Android device. So thanks for watching.